at ASB's BakingTECH 2023 in Chicago, and I'm catching up with Anthony Tsocanos, Director of Quality at Hero Bread. Hi, Anthony. Thanks for chatting with me.
Absolutely.
So, this is so exciting to be back at BakingTECH, and you are Director of Quality at Hero, and there's a lot going on at Hero right now. You're expanding not only in the channels where you're selling, but also the products that you're developing.
Absolutely.
So what are some of the biggest challenges that are coming with quality in your product development?
I think the thing about quality is we are looking to avoid any challenges in the process. So identifying what are potential challenges to quality is key at the upfront, so that you can avoid having those issues later on. And so the best thing about coming to this show is working with other bakers here and trying to identify any hiccups that they've had, and I help with any processes or with any solutions that many of these vendors can help with.
Yeah, so Hero Bread is a relatively new brand, and the concept of your zero net carb bread is very new, and it's really exploded on the market. So I imagine that your role as Director of Quality is pretty critical right now.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that people who are really looking forward to eating our bread and are trying it for the first time get the absolute best quality product, and they keep coming back for more.
So what are you most excited as far as features of the show, breakout sessions, what you're seeing on the marketplace floor? What are you most looking forward to experiencing at BakingTECH?
I think the thing that I'm looking forward to the most here is just making those connections with all of our bakery friends and supplier partners, and just making sure that we have a foundation to keep growing our company and the awesome products that we're making.
That's awesome. And then I just have to say, you are not only attending, you are also speaking. So you're going to be giving a really compelling presentation on product development for high fiber, low net carb products, right?
Absolutely. I think the industry is changing to a point where customers are expecting some of these nutritional solutions to some of their diets, and so making sure that the industry is aware of some of the challenges is only going to help make the whole industry better.
I love it. I love it. Well, I will be sure to attend your session on Thursday. Thanks for being here, and thanks for catching up with me, Anthony. It's
Absolutely.
Great to see you.
Yeah, thank you so much.